Kaya ako ni Pepper last time kasi sa kanya ko nalaman na half yung time ko dun sa client ko na dati akong full-time. Tapos parang tanong sa kanya ni Ate Pepper, oh sweet, how do you feel? So reply ko lang kay Ate Pepper is like, wala. Kasi feeling ko kahit naman anong gawin ko, wala akong magagawa doon sa situation.
Correct.
Hindi na yung nag-decide. She already decided na 4 hours na lang. And parang, girl, kahit feeling ko lumuhod ako right now sa kanya, nang naka-on cam, feeling ko hindi niya mababalik yung 8 hours. Kasi, before pa nangyari yung gano'n, nakapag-decide na siya. I mean, para sa akin kasi is like, at some point, you need to look at the positive side of things. It's actually a good thing na at least may 4 hours pa ako. Well, in fact, kung nagka-cut costing siya, pwede niya akong tanggalin huli from the team. Right? Pero still, she kept me. Parang ganon. So, parang at the end of the day, at least she saw value na pwede pa ako magstay for that 4 hours. And parang at the same time, nakikita ko rin na parang, feeling ko naman after nito, kapag nakabawi na siya dun sa cut costing, mababalik yon. May chance pa na mabalik. Kasi alam mo, as a VA, kung ano yung offer mo to that specific client.